So today our aim is to find out unknown resistance using meter bridge. The reason behind using meter bridge instead of Ohm's law for finding out unknown resistance is that meter bridge experiment gives accurate results due to null deflection method. Hence, to begin with, first of all, we will have a look onto the materials required. The first material, as we can see here, is a meter bridge with a jockey installed in it. Next is our battery eliminator, then resistance box, a galvanometer, a one-way switch, and obviously the connecting wires to connect all these components. Now, to begin with, we are going to set our battery eliminator at 2 volts and we are going to put the key on the holder. Now, this makes the circuit complete and we will be taking out a suitable resistance and we will be checking whether the galvanometer shows proper deflection. Now we are going to check first of all whether the galvanometer is showing deflection on the opposite sides while we are putting the jockey onto the two extremes of the meter bridge. हम यहाँ पर एक बार जॉकी को रखकर देखेंगे तो हम देख रहे हैं कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड डिफ्लेक्शन शो हो रहा है. Now just let us put the jockey onto the other side. Now this we can see with the help of this that the pointer is pointing on the next side, that is on the right hand side. So the connections are correct, it means. To begin with, we will be taking reading for 1 ohm only. As you can see, the knob for 1 ohm has been taken out and we are going to find out the null deflection for this measurement of resistance. So we will start with the lowest reading of meter bridge, that is 1 centimeter, and we will glide this jockey onto the wire towards the right hand side and we'll try to find out the point where the galvanometer shows 0 reading. So this way we have to find out the point just by seeing the pointer deflection from the 0. If the pointer deflection gets decreased on moving towards right, that means we are moving towards right end, and somewhere after few points of scale we will be getting the reading as 0. So now we have taken out a 2 ohms resistance and we can see that is the null deflection for this 2 ohms comes around 75 centimeter. So now what we are going to do is हम लोग 2 ohms के against में balancing point note कर लेंगे, that is L as 75 centimeter and 100 minus L क्या हो जाएगा 25 centimeter. सिमिलरली हमें क्या करना है, ऐसे ही और दो वैल्यूज ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस के लिए बैलेंसिंग लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. सो से यू कैन टेक इट एज 4 ohms और 6 ohms और इट कुड बी 3 और 5 ohms एज वेल एज पर योर चॉइस. सो ओवर इन ऑल हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक एक करके रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है. हमें यहाँ पर बैलेंसिंग लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है बाय सीइंग द galvanometer's pointer at 0 and then we have to note down the balancing length and then 100 minus L and then we will have to put it down in the formula that is for calculating unknown resistance. So this is all about meter bridge unknown resistance experiment. It is quite very simple and you will be able to do it with more accuracy and you will enjoy it as well. Thank you.